So in this video, you'll learn how to restore deleted notes on your Samsung Galaxy A36, A56, and A26. So the first step is to open the Samsung Notes app, and then from here, you want to navigate to the recycle bin. To do that, tap on this hamburger icon in the top left corner, and then select the option Recycle Bin. Next, you should see all the notes that you've deleted in the last 30 days. In order for you to restore a note, you can just long press to select one, and then you can go ahead and start selecting multiple. Once you've chosen all the notes that you wish to restore, simply select the option Restore All, and then you should see this tag Notes Restored. Now, whenever you navigate back to your Notes section, you'll notice that all the notes that had been previously deleted have been successfully restored, which means that you can go ahead and continue editing them and customizing them to your liking. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.